It's time to resell, it's time to resell. In the ATL, ATL, ATL. It's time to resell, it's time to resell. In the ATL, ATL flipper.
Hey guys, what's going on? I just got in from the first thrift store. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. All right, hold on right quick. All right, so the first item, guys, I picked up was this guitar. Let me lay it down for y'all so y'all can see. Was this guitar right here? The brand is Alvarez Artist, but they wanted $80 for it. But I actually got it for $50. And the comps on eBay, is saying that it's selling for around $400 to $500. So I know, like, on the, I don't know too much about guitars, but it's missing a piece. I'll probably get that fixed with the string. But yeah, that's the first item I picked up. Then I scooped up this bike rack, this Thule. I think that's how you say it. Thule. Let me look at it. Where is it at? Yeah, right here. As y'all can see, this bike rack. I know a lot of the comps on eBay say it's going for like over $100. So I don't know too much about bike racks, but I went ahead and picked it up. They only wanted $5 for it. Let me see what else I picked up. All right, then I got some shoes, y'all. So the first pair I got was these UGG women shoes. They wanted $9 for it. I can get around $40 for those UGGs. Then got some Jordans, Jordan 5s. Got them for $9. Got a whole bunch of other shoes. Got some more Jordans right here. Got these. What else? Got some LeBrons. Got some Hokas. These sell really good too on eBay. I can get probably like $60 for these. Paid $9 for them. Picked up some Nike Dunks. Probably get like $100 for these. And yeah, that's about it. Got some more LeBrons down there. So yeah, guys, that's all I picked up from this thrift store. I'm about to head out and go to another thrift store. So I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, I'm in the first thrift store, and the first item I picked up were these gray suede Sanita clogs. These are shoes that a lot of nurses and different people who work in the hospital wear, and I can get around $45 to $50 for these, and they were asking $6 for them. Then the next pair of shoes I picked up were these Mephisto men shoes. If you never heard of that brand, Mephisto, make sure you look out for it. They were asking $6 for it, and I could flip these between $45 to $50 as well on eBay. The bottoms were also clean, so I went ahead and picked those up too. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm in this Goodwill, and guys, I just came up. Check this out. All of these, y'all, it's called Rejuvenate, Smoothing, Infuse, Skin Better Science. Each of these go for $100 on eBay, and I got around like almost 30 of them, guys. This is crazy. They only wanted $3, and they resell for $100, sometimes a little bit more on eBay. Easy money. So let's go ahead and head out to the next thrift store. All right, guys, leaving the next thrift store, and the only thing I picked up was these Jordan Retro 11s, size 4.5. They only wanted, you can see, $8 for it. But I could probably get, not probably, I know I can get $100, probably $120 at the most. So yeah, let's go ahead and head to our next thrift store. All right, y'all, I'm in the last thrift store for the day, and as I was walking past the shoes, I saw this shirt hanging on the end of the rack, and the brand is called Untuck It. Untuck It. If you see this brand, make sure you look up the comps, because these shirts can sell from $30 to up to $60 on eBay. So I went ahead and picked it up. And then I found this all blue Polo Bear hoodie, and they were asking, I believe it was like $8 or $9 for it. And I went ahead and picked it up because I can flip these guys easily on eBay
for around $60, and it was actually in really good condition too. Then I picked up these women Nike Huaraches, and guys, when I brought these home, my wife said, "Babe, what size are those?" And I said, "Not your size." And she ended up trying them on, and she could fit them, so I ended up giving them to her. But if I would sell them on eBay, they'll go for around $45. And then I picked up these Air Max 270s. They wanted $7 for them, and these were in pretty good condition. I need to just clean the sock lining and around the ankle part and the laces. But yeah, that's about it. And I could flip these for around $45 on eBay. And then guys, the last pair of shoes I picked up was these Jordan Retro 12s. They're a little dirty, but it had no rips, no tears, no midsole separation. The bottoms were in good condition too. So I went ahead and picked them up for $9, and I could flip these once I clean them up for around $120.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL.